a year ago, I reviewed the WOLFBOX MegaFlow200, and ever since then, it has become one of those tools that I genuinely use every single day, and after nearly a year of regular use, it still works just as well as the day I unboxed it. This is the WOLFBOX MegaFlow200. It builds on everything I liked about the MF100 while bringing several meaningful upgrades, including significantly more powerful airflow, a convenient removable battery system, and all of that still comes in a compact handheld design. Let's take a closer look. The MegaFlow200 comes packed in a nice looking box, and inside you'll find everything you need to get started. Besides the air duster itself, you get 4 interchangeable nozzles with one already pre-installed on the device. You also receive 2 cleaning brushes, a USB Type-C charging cable, a nice carrying pouch, and the usual paperwork. I also have the optional Enduro pack, which includes an additional battery. The MegaFlow200 is surprisingly compact considering how much power it has, and it weighs only around 0.85 pounds, making it incredibly comfortable to carry around or simply throw into your backpack or pocket without even thinking about it. The build quality is excellent, the housing feels solid, everything fits together tightly, and the device immediately gives the impression that it's built to last. I also really like these rubberized grip sections on the handle. They make the blower feel very secure in your hand. Operating it couldn't be any easier. The power button turns the unit on or off while also allowing you to cycle through the 3 available power modes. Right above it, you'll find LED indicators that clearly show which power level you're currently using. On the front, there is the trigger. You simply press it and the blower instantly starts working. Everything feels intuitive, and only after a couple of moments, operating the MegaFlow200 becomes completely second nature. Another detail that I genuinely appreciate is the nozzle attachment system. Installing or removing the nozzles takes only a second, but unlike some competing air dusters that rely only on magnets, these nozzles actually lock into place with a simple twist. One of my favorite features of the MegaFlow200 is the removable battery. Replacing it couldn't be easier. Just press the release button, slide the battery out, insert a fully charged one, and you're good to go. Since I spend most of my time filming outdoors, I use an air duster far more often than the average person, so being able to swap batteries instead of waiting for the device to recharge is incredibly convenient. The battery also features its own LED charge indicator, so you can instantly check the remaining charge before installing it. You can charge it either while it is inside the blower or separately via the USB Type-C port on the battery itself, using a wall charger, a laptop, power bank, or even your car. Personally, I often charge mine using the WOLFBOX portable tire inflator, which also doubles as a power bank, so the battery is always ready whenever I'm out filming. According to the company, a full charge takes about 2.5 to 3 hours and provides up to 105 minutes of runtime on the lowest power setting. Now let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The MegaFlow200 is powered by a high-performance brushless motor that delivers airflow of up to 87.5 meters per second. It also offers 3 power levels, so you can easily adjust the airflow depending on the task, whether you're cleaning delicate electronics or tackling heavier debris outside. Throughout my testing, the airflow remained strong and consistent, and unlike traditional compressed air cans, there is no gradual loss of pressure as you keep using it. Probably my number one use case is cleaning camera equipment. Since I film outdoors most of the time, my cameras and other gear constantly collect fine dust. Around the house, I use it to clean dust from monitors, electronics, appliances, gadgets, and various surfaces where dust had accumulated over time, especially in corners that are awkward to clean with a cloth or vacuum. Outdoors, I tested it on leaves, sand, small stones, and other debris around the driveway, patio, and garden. It did an excellent job clearing areas that would normally require a broom. Sound test, minimum level. Sound test, medium level. Sound test, maximum level. I even took it to a few public places just for fun and did a bit of street cleaning just to see how it handled different types of debris, and the results were consistently impressive. It also works great inside the car, quickly cleaning air vents, dashboard controls, storage compartments, and other places where dust and dirt tend to collect. Another use case I absolutely love is after washing my e-bikes. Instead of letting the remaining water dry naturally and leave water spots, I simply use the MegaFlow200 to blow away the water trapped around the frame, suspension, brakes, and other hard-to-reach areas. I do exactly the same thing with my robot lawnmower after washing it, and it works incredibly well. Finally, just to demonstrate the airflow in a more visual way, I tested it on rice, buckwheat, and cereal spread across different surfaces, and also performed the classic water test. Besides looking great on camera, those demonstrations clearly show just how much power this compact blower produces. Overall, these are just a few examples of how I've been using the MegaFlow200, and the more I use it, the more situations I find where having a compact, powerful air blower like this is genuinely useful. Before I started using electric air dusters, I used traditional compressed air cans like most people. The problem is that they eventually run out. You constantly have to buy replacements, the pressure gradually decreases as the can empties, and sometimes they can even spray liquid if they are tilted the wrong way. With a MegaFlow200, none of those problems exist. You simply recharge it, or even better, swap in another battery and continue working. Over time, it's not only a more economical solution, but it's also far more convenient and creates much less waste compared to disposable cans. After spending quite a bit of time with the WOLFBOX MegaFlow200, I can honestly say it's an absolutely amazing blower. The airflow is seriously powerful, the removable battery is a genuine game changer for the way I work, and the overall build quality leaves a great impression. Whether it's blowing dust off my cameras and filming gear, drying my e-bikes and robot lawnmower after washing, cleaning electronics and appliances around the house, clearing debris outdoors, or cleaning inside my car, it has consistently performed exceptionally well. The MegaFlow200 is definitely staying in my camera bag, and I know that I'll be using it every single day as part of my filming workflow. If you're looking for a compact, reusable, and genuinely powerful alternative to traditional compressed air cans, I think the WOLFBOX MegaFlow200 is definitely worth checking out. For the latest prices and deals, check out the links and show notes in the video description down below. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this air duster? Would you choose this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.